Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. I'm back. Stu, boom. I have this 2013 Fiat, as you can see. I'm gonna show you real quick how to do the oil change, and at the end of that, I'm gonna show you how to do the oil life reset. All right. So come with me. Stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Share this video and the feedback. Put in the comment box for me. Let me know what you think about this vehicle. You know what I'm saying? Let me know if you like it, if it's reliable for you, how is it working for you. Know what I'm saying? Put it there, put it in the comment box for me. And let's get it. Let's do it. Now you come down here, and pull it. That's how you open the hood. You see this little guy in the field. Go to the middle of the hood. There's the latch right there. Where's the kickstand? Right here. That's where you put it. Let's see the 1.4 2013 1.4 2013. Alright. Engine oil cut. 5W30 only, and the oil dipstick to check the level is right there. Nice, huh? So compact, multi-air. Sheesh. And he takes the R134. That's the old Freon. This is the muffler. Spare tire donut, resonator, and to get to the, which is right there, oil drain plug, you're gonna have to remove this cover. Maybe this two right here, and maybe this two. This is, it's right there. This is the 2013 Fiat 500 Scorpion, if you want to call it. Now we're gonna use a 13 wrench because we cannot use anything else, because of this beautiful frame bracket, whatever you want to call it. Okay. Now once you remove the oil drain plug, the oil is gonna hit here and you're gonna get a splash. You'll see. But what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna keep the oil drain plug there until I drain most of it, and then let it go. I see some you see, just gonna keep the oil drain plug there, drain most of it, then let it go. La, 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 la. What you think? Is it clean? Is it dirty? Dark? I don't know. Put in the comment box for me. Let me know what you think. As you can see, I'm holding the oil drain plug there so it doesn't splash against this bracket right here. You dig? Now once you drain most of it, let it go. Alright. That's gonna be my thumbnail. Okay, once you drain most of it, put the oil drain plug back, tight it, snug it, and proceed to replace the oil filter. Alright, clean your mess. Alright. Now here's the answer to your question. That's the oil filter right there. Da-na-na-na. Okay. Now you can use a 27 half inch. You put it there. And try to put it through here. Okay. With a swivel. But since I think the half inch 27 socket is gonna be it's gonna use extension. If you don't have the swivel and all that, you can use this short 27. Put it right there. The 3/8 extension. Put it here. Like that. Okay. But you know what? Definitely you're gonna need a swivel. It doesn't matter if you use half inch or 3/8. This is just a tease. Okay. Now that's a swivel right there. Okay. There you go. And once you lose it, remove it by hand. Don't forget to change the ring, the old ring, okay? This is the new filter, 67341. Comes with the old ring. Load the new oil ring, put it back. It's pretty tight, but what you gonna do? Okay, spray some brake cleaner for the mess. Wipe it if you can. Turn it by hand and then use the 27mm socket. And then we proceed to pour the oil. I'm gonna put some 5W30. Since it's a small engine, I'm gonna pour 3 quarts first. Synthetic oil. You can use regular oil if you want. Okay, 5W30. 3 quarts first. Then check the level. And if it needs more, top it off. I poured 3.5 quarts. Okay. 3.5. There you go, perfect. Alright. Put the engine oil cap back. Now I'll show you how to reset the oil life. Okay, welcome back. I hope you like the video how to do the oil change in this 2013 Fiat 500 Scorpion. Alright, get over here, psych. And before I get into that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share this video, and the feedback put in the comment box for me. Alright, okay, let's get it. Oh, Shout outs to my subscribers. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the help. All right, let's get it. My bad. I didn't want to hold you up. I just need to say that. Turn it to the on position. Don't start the car. Once I stop beeping, step on the gas pedal 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And it's gone. Alright. That's it. That's all you gotta do to reset the oil life. Alright. I'll see you in the next one. Holla at your boy. Stay safe. Always wear your safety glasses. And I encourage the females to become a mechanic, a technician, since I haven't seen that many out here in the field. Alright. Safety first. Holla at your boy. Astuo. See you in the next one. Meow.